Hello everybody, I am Larissa Unseth and this is my I Am a Mover presentation. I am currently a freshman here at Winona State. My major is elementary education with an emphasis in early childhood. My current minor is psychology, though I am looking into a coaching minor. And my hometown is Ontario, Wisconsin, which is a town of about 500 people. I have just a little map here. So this is Ontario and this is Winona. Ontario is about an hour and a half from Winona. The first activity I chose was softball. I have been very involved with softball throughout my life, though when I was younger it was called t-ball. I am still very involved with softball. I am in spring and summer leagues. These are some pictures from me in high school. I was a pitcher and I also played first base. I feel that softball is a very great team building sport, but still also focuses on being an individual within like your position. So the second activity I chose was swimming. I do live on campus and I live in Lord's Hall, so whenever I want to I can just head downstairs and go swimming in the pool, though I do prefer to go swimming in oceans. These are just some pictures from Myrtle Beach. I've also been to some beaches in Florida. So the last activity I chose was hiking. I really enjoy hiking. I feel like it's a great stress reliever for me, and I also really enjoy being outdoors, so it's just a really great way for me to keep active throughout the year. This first picture is of me in La Crosse, Wisconsin. This is like the weather ball thing for News Channel 8. And then this is from Greece, which I went to this past summer, and I got to hike a bunch of different trails and hike in a lot of different cities within Greece. I also enjoy hiking here at Garvin Heights, and then Grandad's Bluff in La Crosse, and then there's also this state park close to my hometown that I will go to whenever I am bored and just feel like getting out and about. So, fun fact about me, in high school I took a class that focused on teaching children fine motor skills, and I was a teacher aide for a preschool class, and I focused on teaching kids those fine motor skills I learned about. So I would teach them hand-eye coordination, and just like small muscle movements like writing, learning how to write their name, coloring, all that sorts of fun stuff. And that is all, and I look forward to the rest of the semester.